Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to become a provider with UnitedHealthcare. Let's get started. First, make sure you are eligible. You must have an active state license and a valid NPI number and malpractice insurance. If your specialty requires it, you also need to be legally allowed to work in your state. Now, gather your document. You will need your license, NPI number, tax ID or social security number, practice address and contact info, bank details for payments. Having these ready will make things much easier. Now go to United Healthcare Provider website. Once you are in, tap on menu at the bottom or top left of your screen. Now scroll down and search for United Healthcare Provider Enrollment. Click on join the network or become a provider. You will be asked to create an account. After that, you will fill out an online application. This includes your personal info, education and work history. Once you submit the application, United Healthcare review it. This process is called credentialing. They can check your license, background, and experience. This step can take 60 to 90 days, sometimes longer. If everything is approved, you will receive a contact, read it carefully, sign in. After that, you are officially in network. You can start seeing United Healthcare members and submitting claims. And that's it. That's how you become a United Healthcare provider. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video useful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.